Sometimes telling AI what to avoid matters just as much as telling it what to do. This is called negative prompting, and it prevents common failure modes before they happen. Picture asking for marketing copy with no guardrails. You might get cliches, empty buzzwords, even claims you can't back up. Now add a few don'ts. Don't use words like revolutionary, game-changing, or best in class. Don't make claims we can't prove. Don't use more than one exclamation mark. The result is much cleaner and far more authentic. You haven't changed the task at all, you've just closed off the predictable ways it tends to go wrong. That small list of don'ts is doing real work. Most things you'll want to exclude fall into 4 buckets. First, tone problems. Don't be preachy or condescending, avoid sarcasm, skip overly casual language, no exclamation marks. Second, content problems. Don't include pricing, don't name competitors, don't make medical or legal claims, no speculation about future features. Third, format problems. Don't use headers, no bullet points, don't exceed 3 paragraphs, avoid code examples. And fourth, style problems. Don't use passive voice, avoid jargon without explanation, no run-on sentences. Don't start sentences with the words "it is." When you scan these categories before writing a prompt, you catch the issues that would otherwise slip into the output without you noticing. Let's apply this. Here's the starting prompt: write a professional bio for LinkedIn. On its own, that invites every bio cliché there is. So add a must-avoid list. Don't write in third person. Don't use clichés like passionate, driven, or thought leader. Don't exaggerate or pile on superlatives. Avoid humble bragging. No buzzwords like synergy, leverage, or ecosystem. Don't list every job, focus on what's relevant, and keep it to 3 short paragraphs. Then balance it with what the bio should be: first person and conversational, specific achievements with numbers, a clear value proposition. Notice the pattern. You name the clichés that plague this exact format, you cap the length, and then you point at the target. Once you've done this a few times, you'll notice each kind of writing has its own recurring offenders. It helps to keep anti-pattern lists by domain. For marketing copy, that's words like revolutionary and cutting edge, multiple exclamation marks, and vague superlatives like best or fastest. For technical writing, it's undefined acronyms, assuming knowledge the reader doesn't have, and a wall of text with no breaks. For professional communication, it's tired phrases like "please advise" and "as per my last email," plus any passive-aggressive tone. And for customer support, it's openers like "unfortunately" or "our policy states," and robotic canned responses. Keep these lists handy and you can paste the right don'ts straight into your prompt. Negative prompts also fix the habits AI itself tends to fall into. There are 3 big ones. Over-helpfulness. It adds suggestions you never asked for. So tell it to answer only what was asked and skip lines like "I'd be happy to help." Excessive caveats. It buries the answer in disclaimers. So tell it to drop phrases like "it's important to note," and "however, keep in mind that." And verbose padding. It restates your question and opens with "great question" before getting anywhere. So tell it not to restate the question, skip the filler, and get directly to the answer. These 3 rules alone make most responses noticeably tighter. Now, the fun one. The starting prompt here is completely empty because you're building the rules yourself. The goal is concise, direct answers with no AI chattiness. So you write, answer the following question, then a list of response rules. Start directly with the answer, no preamble. Don't restate or rephrase the question. Don't add "that's a great question" or similar. Skip "here's what I think, just tell me." Don't pile on unsolicited extra information. No disclaimers unless genuinely important. And if you don't know, say so in 1 sentence. Then drop in the actual question like what's the capital of Australia? You've turned a blank prompt into a precise instruction for a short, straight answer. One warning, don't go overboard. Too many don'ts can confuse priorities, make the AI overly cautious, and leave it unclear what to actually do. A prompt that's all negatives, don't be formal, don't be casual, don't use jargon, don't oversimplify, fights itself. A balanced version says what you want first. Use a conversational but professional tone. Explain technical concepts simply without dumbing them down. Target 200 words. Then add a short avoid-only list like buzzwords, passive voice, and undefined acronyms. Knowing what to exclude really is half of writing great prompts. So try it yourself right now. Use the interactive playground on this lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai, or paste one of these prompts into ChatGPT or Claude and watch the output get cleaner.